Hey everybody, it's Chris Chudacoff at True Point Lending. After 30 plus years in the mortgage business, if someone said, Chris, what is the one common theme or question that everyone looking to buy a house or refinance says? And the conversation goes something like this. Hey Chris, I got referred to you by my CPA or my financial planner or my realtor. I want the lowest rate and I don't want to pay any closing costs. And in my satire, I may say something like, well, I want to eat donuts and stay thin, but we don't get everything that we want. What's most important here is understand what you're asking for. And you've seen my videos, it's just math. So let me walk you through what it looks like if you should pay points when you get a loan or 0 points. Now quick, if you don't know what points are, you can actually pay the bank a little bit of money up front for a lower interest rate over the life of the loan. They call that a point or a percentage. And let's just help you understand if you want to pay points or not. So I've given you a loan amount of $800,000 and I've given you two interest rates. 6.5%, we're just presuming a 30-year fixed, 7%. What's the difference? Well, at 6.5%, you got a payment of $5,056, 7%, $5,322. The difference in those two payments, $266 a month. You're gonna save $266 a month with the lower interest rate at 6.5. But what does it cost you? If you want that lower rate, it's gonna cost you 1% or 1 point of the loan amount, $8,000. Well, here's how you decide if you want to pay points or not. We simply take the cost of the lower rate, $8,000, we divide it by the monthly savings of $266, and this is important right here. 2.5 years, that's your ROI. If you think you're gonna have this home or the loan for 2.5 years or more, you could justify spending the $8,000. If you're in a market where interest rates seem to be dropping, but you got to buy the house, you might want to consider a 0 points loan because you may not have the loan for 2.5 years. If you're buying a home and you know you're only going to be there for a year, maybe less, it may not make sense to do that. Two quick notes. This point that you pay or the percentage is tax deductible the year that you buy the home. So that's something that you'll absolutely want to talk to your CPA about. And finally, my competition, they don't show you this stuff. They show you the lowest rate and they try and hide the cost of how expensive it might be. Like anything, don't listen to anybody over the telephone. Get something in writing. But if you want to know if paying points or not is best for you, give me a call. We'll work through an analysis. I'll do this type of thing without the bad penmanship and I'll send you something pretty in an email. But let me know how I can help. Thanks.